Technology is moving faster than ever. New tools, new risks, and new possibilities. The question is, how do you stay ahead? Welcome to Tech Show London 2026, where technology leaders, innovators, and visionaries unite under one roof. Cloud and AI infrastructure, DevOps Live, Cloud and Cybersecurity Expo, Big Data and AI World, and Data Center World, all shaping the future of connected technology. 5 world-class events, 1 powerhouse destination. Join 17,000 tech professionals, explore over 400 exhibitors, and dive into more than 200 hours of game-changing content. Hear from industry giants like Formula One, AstraZeneca, and HSBC, and get hands-on with the innovations shaping how we work, connect, and lead. Whether you're an engineer building resilient systems, a CTO driving transformation, or a leader shaping tomorrow's business, Tech Show London is designed for you. Don't just watch the future happen, build it here. Tech Show London 2026, 4th and 5th of March, Excel London. Register free today and be part of what's next. We can't wait to see you there.